Name's Alicia. I'm here at Hvac and just showing you all about air conditioning. Alright, so here we have the Hvac machine, and what it does is basically pulls refrigerant from your AC and stores it in there, and then it puts it back in there. What we have hooked up is the low pressure, and red is your high pressure. And then once you hook those up, you plug in the machine and you push the on button. Here we just finished the recovering. It recovered about 15 ounces, which is below specs. Now we're gonna do the vacuum. There you click vacuum, and we are gonna bring it down to 1 minute. And then you push start. So now, since the vacuum cycle has stopped, we are going to do the charge cycle, and so the requirement is 660 grams, which converts to 1.5 ounces, and we're just going to put all that back in. So here we're going to test the system for leaks, and what you do is you get your dye that you inject on the low side, and then you take your UV light and you go down and you look for all the leaks, which it shows right where the light is, but you can't see it. And what you also use is this leak detector. You can just turn it on and you just go on the thing. And it would go off, but right now it's not. Alright, so here we're working on the HHR. We have the fuse relay, and it's this red one right here, and it goes through the relay, which is redder, and then it goes through and it powers the compressor clutch, and then it grounds out. So here we're going to do the relay bench check on the relay. So it's already connected. It's at ohms, and we're just gonna touch it. That's the switch turning on and off. Also, it shows about, well, it keeps going down, but staying around 0.6, 5, or 5, or 4, or 5. So here we have the AC system operation. We have the compressor, which is a high pressure gas, and it goes through a condenser and it turns it into high pressure liquid, and then it goes through the FOT and turns it into so it goes through the FOT, turns into a low pressure liquid, and then it goes through accumulator and it turns into a low pressure gas, and then it goes through condenser, compressor, and it starts all over.